Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer files and data to Black Shark Pad 7 Pro tablet. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to plug a USB-C cable. Now make sure that the other end is plugged into your PC, for example. So I'm using PC as example. We're going to go over and plug it in. As you guys can see, it is plugged in. We got our PC right here, and we got our Black Shark Pad 7 Pro. Now you may be wondering why this folder is empty. It's pretty normal. Here, as you guys can see, let me just quickly switch the camera so you guys can see this. As you guys can see, we got the screen. Now we are wondering how to change it. So it's really easy. Here we have an option charging the device via USB. We're going to tap on it, tap for more options, and here we need to select the file transfer. So let me go over, let me switch the cameras again. Now I'm going to select file transfer, and as you guys can see, the folder disappeared and appeared again. So here we have the internal shared storage. We got the music, pictures, for example. As you guys can see, there's no pictures actually, but for example, we can take a screenshot. As you guys can see, whenever we just we took a screenshot, and it should be saved. Now of course there's a lot of stuff. As you guys can see, screenshots, we got the screenshot. Let me just open it up in Paint, for example. This is our screenshot. We got it. We can also just change it. We can click on save, and we can save it back on our device. We want to replace it, or we can easily just name it again. Now whenever we go into for example, let's go into the gallery. So we're gonna open up the gallery of our tablet. Here, now we're gonna click on allow, and as you guys can see, we got the screenshots, for example. This is our video, and we got it all right here. So we can check the images, screenshots, and etc. We got it all here, and that's basically how you guys can easily transfer some files. So all you really need to do is get some files from your PC. If you for example have something that you can just put here, for example, I know that Steam setup is not really a great idea to put it here, but you can easily just put everything here into their folders and you will have it. So that's how it basically works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.